Hi, I'm Dominick Fortuna, President of Volkmann USA. I'm here with Brett Harris from HP and Jan Schweppenstedde from Volkmann, Germany. So we're here at the Rapid 2026 show in Boston, and nice to have Brett at our booth. Just having a quick conversation about our work with HP and how we hope to do more in the coming weeks and months with the vPort system that we have for the HP Metal Jet S100 printer. So this fills a niche or a little void in the product offering. It's like an entry-level powder handling solution for HP. And maybe you can talk a little bit, Brett, about how it fits with the Metal Jet printer.
Absolutely. No, thank you, Dominick and Jan. So, our history with Volkmann has been one of, it's been a journey of really cooperation and collaboration, which we've really appreciated. HP, by the way, I'm the senior product manager for the Metal Jet system, so I have responsibility for all of the new product innovation around Metal Jet and our S100 system. And when we got into needing a system that, really for our entry-level customers who don't need a big production depowdering or powder handling system that won't contain powder handling, that is not a core competency of HP. So we reached out to Volkmann, knowing that their expertise and their experience in this field would bring a lot of value to our customers. And so through cooperation, through the design process, testing, and validation of the system, they've just been a real solid partner in helping us deliver a valuable solution for our customers. So we're looking forward to adding that to our portfolio of offerings, and then scaling that up, and hopefully with down the road as we get more of these in, is adding more features and functionality to the system as we go along. So thank you, Volkmann team, for your support and helping HP bring something valuable to our customers.
Thank you, Brett.
Thanks, Brett.
Can only give the compliments back. It was really a pleasure to work with HP on that project. You've been a very, very valuable partner when it came to the design and development of this product. So it wouldn't be possible without the constant support we got from your side. So thank you for that, and I hope we can interest some customers into that system, and I think it really brings a benefit for the HP customer at the end.
Absolutely. Well, and the nice thing about the system, and probably one of the more challenging things that is the integration with our build unit or our build unit or a trolley, is that the firmware and the interfacing with that to be able to communicate with the system is a little bit more of a challenge than we anticipated. But again, the team rose to the occasion and was able to do that. So now that as you insert the build unit into the system, it automatically communicates with it, and the system is able to raise and lower the platforms and more accessibility to it. So, again, those the little small details that were surprises in the end, but were surprises that we're able to overcome. So we appreciate the effort there. So thank you.
Thank you. I mean, our work together enabled us to clean all this, all the interfaces. You as a customer don't have to worry about any stuff happening there. You are sure that it works together with the HP machine, right? Yeah.
And I came in a little bit later in the game after all the testing and the product was basically in the final stages, but I'm very much looking forward to working closely with Brett and HP and the team to get it out in the US market and support HP's customers. So we're really excited about the product. I think the vPort is going to be a good success, and we look forward to really pushing it here in North America.
Absolutely. All right, perfect. Thank you.
Brett, thank you very much.
Thanks, Dominick.
Brett,
Looking
thank you
forward
very
to
much.
it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.